Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Warisatu Husna, and today I would like to explain about discourse and genres. So, before the explanation, I would like to share about my experience about genres. So, let's say yesterday I scrolled a TikTok and found a video about a recipe of fried rice, and then later I found the article that discussed about the fried rice. So both of them are discussed about a cook or a fried rice, right? But it's a different genres. So what is genres? From my opinion, and from the book that I have read, genres is the ways how we getting information or getting something done by a language or by a writing or by a by a spoken or written language. So genres is the ways to getting something done by a language. So the genres could be differentiated by the situation, the context, and the audience. So we move to the next topic about how we can define the genres. For example, let's say we as a detective and we see a written text, and then we think about that text like, what is it? What is it means? Like, is it about the caption of a TikTok, or is it an academic writing, or the text is just about a news? And we can define the genres again based on the context and situations. For example, when we read a book and the book said once upon a time, so we can summarize that the book is about a fairy tale. And also when we see in the television about a news and the headline about the breaking news, so we can conclude that the headline is about the news report. So we can conclude the genres based on the situations and the audience, or even a context from the text. Also, after we define a genres, we can move to the we can say it's a networking. Like a genres cannot stand or exist alone. For example, me myself, I saw a job advertisement, and then I want to be a part of the company, and then I write a CV, and then I send the CV to the company, and then after that, if I lucky, I can be a part of I can be a staff of that company. So it have like a step by step, and every step has a different genres. So it called networking or change genres. So genres usually like interconnected one and another. After networking, we have like how we can assign a text as a genre. For example, in a bookstore, we have to buy a books that we want to buy a books, and we ask something to the assistant of the bookstore. But when we ask us questions and the assistant of the bookstore asks a question again, like, I want to buy the book that the title is, let's say, A Midnight Library, and then the assistant can ask again about what the Midnight Library, what is the genre, it's about psychological or memoir or biographical, because books have a lot of genre. Books have a lot of genres, so the assistant could make sure what books that we want to buy. And after that, we have the structure of the genres. So we have two structure of genres, which are generic structure and then rhetorical structure. The first one is generic structure. So, from my understanding, generic structure is how genres is structured by step by step. For example, in a recipe, we have like a title, and after that we have step 1, step 2, and step 3. After that, the dish can be the dish can be eaten. And after that, we have a rhetorical structure. So rhetorical is more about the storytelling and then how we can express our feelings. For example, when we apologize to someone or we promise to someone. Like when we apologize to someone, we usually have an introduction first. After that, we explain our main problem or our mistake, and after that, we promise to not doing that anymore. And then after that, it's like and so rhetorical is more about storytelling types that we have a reason to say to someone, but generic structure is more about the structure itself. So I think that's all for me. So genres is about how or the way people to explain their purpose using a language in different situation or different ways. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.